you imagine making an AI-generated video ad from just one photo? Explore the possibilities. Contact us on Facebook for a free step-by-step guide. We turned a photo into an advertising video for a hair salon. It's perfect to promote your own business or make extra money by advertising other services and products, or even selling short videos to entrepreneurs. You also can create short promo video ads for any hair care routine to look your best with shampoo, conditioner, mask, oil or spray, serum or mousse. And the list can go on with haircut and styling, hair coloring, hair extensions, spa treatments for hair, etc. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and let us know what you think of the AI-generated promotional clip created from a single photo. Here it is.
Ladies, transport yourself to the hairstyling haven of your dreams, exclusively designed for you. Now, paint a mental picture of the perfect hairstyle you deeply desire. Precision, passion, and a touch of glamour, reflecting the ambience that whispers sophistication, where magic meets motion, turning a stunning photo into a captivating real hairstyle look. We're here to transform your still moments into a dynamic visual masterpiece, turning the ordinary hairstyle into the extraordinary. Step into the enchanting world of our chic hairstyle salon, where joy, beauty, and a touch of mystery combine to embrace you. Revel in moments of self-care, and elevate your spirits with a truly remarkable experience at our sophisticated hairstyle salon. Immerse yourself in beauty and bliss.